to the KULLYCO YouTube channel. Today we are not fabricating, we're not engineering. It's a super nice day today in South Dakota. It's like 70, no wind. So we're just gonna spend the afternoon cruising in my 1985 C10 Chevy. I got a lot of different errands to run and things to do, so I'm just gonna take you guys along for the ride. I'm gonna drop off this birthday gift to a friend. Both turned 31 this month in April, so I've got a little gift that I'm gonna put on his doorstep. It's some KULLYCO shirts, don't tell him, but I think he'll be stoked. She looks good out in the sun. Needs a wash though. I gotta go ship some packages, one of which is a 2023 KTM 450 exhaust pipe, which I am surprising the customer with. He wanted it by this weekend, so I'm gonna 2 day ship it to California for him. Try not to crash this truck while filming a YouTube, which is probably a smart thing to do. Just a perfect little shop truck. Nice little spot here on the end that I can back into. All right, let's go wash this thing. Just a beautiful day. Nice weather changes a guy's life. That's real. Do you agree? It is really tough to beat a black vehicle when it's super clean, that's for sure. For those of you that are new to this channel, just a little info on the truck. This is a 1985 Chevy C10. I got it in California about a year ago. It was a completely rust-free truck, lived its whole life in California. I wanted black, I wanted this body, I wanted it rust-free, and I just happened to be out there on vacation. Came across this truck on Marketplace, went to look at it, ended up buying it. It was a stock truck then, and I drove it from California across the country to South Dakota. Literally drove it, no fear. Fluids with me, belts, thermostat, all kinds of tools. Like, I was ready, and it's a trip that I will always remember my whole life. So pretty crazy. I went ahead and lowered it, put wheels and tires on it, did the C-notch kit in the back, went pretty far with it. So all the suspension's fresh, the lowering kit, the springs, the shocks, ball joints, wheels, tires is all new. Overall, the drop was 5.5 in the front, 7 in the rear, and it is low, and I like the way that it looks. I didn't want it level, I wanted it to have a little stance, so